Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm going to show you how I make my strawberry rose body mist. This is just a super moisturizing, hydrating mist to use after you take a shower or bath, and it feels really good on your skin. This is different from a fragrance mist, so this is going to feel much more moisturizing on your skin. So I'm going to show you step by step how I do this. So let's jump right in. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos, and I also sell some of my products on my website. I'll have that linked in the description box if you want to check that out. As always, I'll have the complete recipe listed in the description box, so check that out. I'm going to start off weighing out my first ingredient. That's going to be rose hydrosol. Rose hydrosol helps to retain moisture on your skin and also provides deep hydration. I'm also using some vegetable glycerin. Other good options would be panthenol or propanediol. I'm also using some strawberry fruit extract powder. This is rich in vitamin C, and it also helps to soothe your skin, and it also improves the appearance of pores on your skin. So you just want to keep mixing until all the powder has dissolved. This might take a few minutes. So once everything has dissolved, I'm going to weigh out my fragrance oil. I'm using a strawberry fragrance oil. So I'm just going to measure that out. And I'm also going to weigh out my solubilizer, because you want your fragrance oils to blend into the water. So you are going to need a solubilizer to blend that in. So I'm going to add the solubilizer and mix everything all in. So you want to pour your solubilizer mix bit by bit, and then just mix it as best as you can. Of course, it's much easier if you have an overhead stirrer or something like that, but this is all manual work here, so you just have to pour it in a little bit at a time. Mix until everything blends into the solution. I went ahead and checked the pH. I like my pH to be around 5 to 6 for my mist, and the final pH was 5.76. After this, I added in my preservative. I'm going to be using Optifen. There are so many options out there. I have 2 detailed videos on my channel. You can check that out. I'll have that linked in the description box. So after adding in my Optifen, I'm just going to mix till it's well combined. And this is what the strawberry rose body mist is looking like after I've mixed everything all in. This made 7 ounces of product. There was still maybe a slight hazy appearance, but that cleared up after a few days. The shelf life is up to 9 months. So of course, just make changes to this recipe that works better for you. I'm just going to package this up, but I hope you found this recipe helpful, useful. The way I like to use this mist is right after a shower. Once I've dried up, I will just spray this all over, and then I would use my body butter to lock in moisture. But this is a very mild, gentle mist, as I find that some of the fragrance mists can be a little bit harsh on my skin, so I love to use this. So definitely let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear from you all. As always, please don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Please turn on your notifications, and also please like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.